You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to check out a mini kit from you. I picked this up at Target for Halloween. This is the Hide and Eek, it's called at the top. Hide and Eek. What's that tiny, tiny word? I'll have to check that out. It's so tiny. Edible slime kit. Kit includes lime slime mix, gummy frogs, and since it's a little bent there, frog egg candies. Glows under black light when mixed with tonic water. So we got that. Let's just see if there's any other thing. Nope. Oh, there is the nutritional facts and calories. I don't really know much about it. There it is, the Target logo brand there. It looks like a simple kit, like a very simple kit. And I thought, well, that glows, and near that was this. These candy gummy eyeballs, ice cube tray, glows under black light, run prepared with tonic water. So guess what? I'm going to do them both for you now. That's why I have time to freeze that, and I'll come back another day. So let's just see. So we have the tonic water. I'll just open this up right now. I haven't really experienced the kit. Okay, so there's my frogs. There's these little, what do they call those? Frog eggs. And then one bag of slime. Let's see. 2 cups of tonic water or tap water. Make slime glow under black light. Prepare with tonic water. Okay, so that's that. Let me get these little fellas out of their bag so we can just kind of look at the little froggies. Here, I'll put them on the lid. There we go. That's a nice looking colored frog. This looks pretty cool. Another frog, a purple and red one. The first one was like orange and teal almost. He's got a little A on his bottom. Or that's his top. What does the A mean for a frog? I don't know. Well, regardless, there's everything we need. So I will come back. Let's see. Until refrigerate. Okay. So just stir, mix, and water in medium bowl. All right, I'll come back and do that. Okay, it says, well, here, let me get the little beads in their bowl. The eggs, I mean, those are my eggs. I'll put them with the frogs. I noticed my little frog had a broken back leg. Now, it doesn't want hot water, so I was wondering why can't I put a couple frogs in there? It might melt a little bit, but why not? Okay, so it says stir slime mix. Okay, that's first. Let's see. It's got a very heavy lime scent to it. And 2 cups tonic water, so don't blast everywhere. Gotta be careful with that. Ah, we made it. Okay, and let's mix this in, and I will see what we get here. Ooh, nice. That's quite a bit. I spilled a tiny bit. It's a nice green though. So it says refrigerate for 1 hour. Then add the gummy frogs and the perlers to the top. So, I'm trying to think here. Well, pearl, sorry. If I want to do it in this bowl, I want to move it to some Halloween bowl, I don't know. But already looks like it's thickening up a little bit. Mixed well. Okay, I will come back then, and well, I'll tell you what, let me clean up, come back, and put the water in my eyeball tray. I want to get that done too, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's much thicker, and I found these 2 dishes in my collection of Halloween stuff, so I'll put some in that one. And I should have enough for this one. There, now I have 2. No wonder why they don't want you to put the frogs in. You will not be able to see them. I thought it'd be a little thinner. It's already starting to set. Okay, so those are set. That'll be cool. Maybe I can take them out as a squiggly ghost jiggler. But it is slime, so. Okay, Here's the back. Nutritional facts on the eyeballs. And then there's the front gummy candy eyeball. Okay, I am back. I had an interruption. Figured I'd get those into the refrigerator anyway. And these got to be frozen. So let me get them out of the pack. It's just a matter of pouring water in there, right? Ooh, it's got a bend in it too. Hopefully that won't affect my eyeballs. Oh, what is their tape? Tricky. Real funny there, packaging people. Okay, so look at these. They're a spongy gummy eyeball. Ooh, I want to eat one right now. They smell really good. As you can see, they have a lot of cool colors in them. All right, so let's just here. I'll zoom right in, and then you can watch. I'll just pour. I mean, this is how you would do it at home, right? Okay, yes, the angle is now tilting some of that liquid out. It's almost like they're partially out of the water, which is okay, I guess. Okay. Good. Okay. Let me get those in the freezer, the other edible slime in the refrigerator, and come back. Okay, I was just shifting some things around. Now this came out pretty good. It's nice. I can decorate one and have the other one as just like a test. Now, being slime, I don't think it's play slime for sure. I will test that theory in a plate or something. And then here's the eyeballs. They came out really nice. They're ready to glow, I guess. So let me do this. I have, let's keep this one. I'm gonna decorate this one. I'm going to put the frog there. Okay, so if you look, it is squishy, so he will sink in if you let him. We'll let this guy pretend like he's climbing out. And this one here too. So this will be good if you're throwing a party. Ooh, he's covering his eye, look. He's like, oh, I don't want this to happen. And then let's put some of these on here. Because I have to turn out the lights before I do much of anything. I want to look at them with the lights out. This would be fun. Bunch of little Halloween dishes, and you can decorate a bunch and then put them out for all of your guests, right? If you have a party. I think that's enough. Plenty to eat. Now let me crack my eyeballs. Never thought I would say crack my eyeballs, but crack them out of the ice tray. Let me get the lighting down just a skosh. There we go. I have 2 cups in the bag, so. My eyeballs are popping out nice. They kind of look interesting with the different colors. Let's turn them all up. I want them looking at you. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, let me zoom in to the eyeballs. Those look tasty. Actually, I'd probably just eat one, but I want you to take a good look at them, right? Look at them. Very cool. All right, and then here's what I made so far. So I have 2 cups. One has regular water, and one I'm going to put glowing tonic water in. Let me grab that. Just a little, we'll see. There's no reason to have glowing water with glowing eyeballs, so that's why I put regular water in. Okay, I'm going to put the eyeballs in the dark, and then I'll come back and play with the slime. So let's check out how this all glows. Okay, I would say glowing pretty good. I have the camera just on its normal setting. So here is this. Is it glowing? No, it's going out of focus. It's not glowing as good as those eyeballs. And the frogs really glow nice. Look at that. Okay, so let's leave that off to the side. Let's bring in glass number 1, glass number 2. I'll bring the camera way down here so you can see it. Okay, so one with, one without. And here is one eyeball going in. Okay, so does it glow? It's not great. Sinks to the bottom. Let's put a couple eyeballs in here. Ooh, fizzy. Actually, I think it would look better if I put tonic in that one. Let me switch it out and see. The regular water with that. So I'm going to pour this into the side, another little bowl I have here. I'm going to switch them, see if we get a different look here. Okay. So now this one will be this one. Because I want to see how the clear, does it glow any different? Not really. Let's put the orange with this one. So you won't be able to see the chunky eyeballs in there. Let me hold it up closer to the black light. I mean, you could see them. Could you tell they're eyeballs? Not in the drinks. I'm going to actually bite one right now. Listen, I'm going to bite an ice cube. The tonic is slightly sweet, so it's actually kind of nice. But the eyeball being frozen is hard as a rock. I can't even... It's almost like a wet gummy. That's what you're eating. Not a very pleasant experience, but it's just Halloween. So it might be something you want to share. Let's look at this. It took me a little while to break through the gummy. I'm going to taste this now. I'll come back. I want to look at the slime in a little more detail, but I want to eat a frog. Look at it. So it's not very... It does have a little bit of a glow to it, but not much. It does remind me of lime jello. Okay, frog, say goodbye. I'm going to eat you. It's also where you're eating a frog. It's kind of slippery with the slime. I think you know what I'm saying. I'll be right back. All right, my eyeballs are melting, but I thought, you know what? This deserves a little playtime with my food, right not? They say don't play with your food, but I play with my food. Let me just slump this down, and I'll come back with the black lights on. But here's my slime coming down over my eyeballs. Oh, yes. What a tasty looking creation. Maybe now this will glow better. Here we go. Let's get the rest of it up. That's why it worked out great saving. Well, let me put the other one in there. I'm not sure. It's very good. Think of a very loose jello, right? All right, well, we'll get some frogs in there for playtime, huh? Here comes a frog as he drops down. Here comes the other one. Bloop. Okay. This will be a good lights out. And we'll see what this looks like now. Lights up. And then maybe I'll eat some of it. Looks pretty good. It's slippery, though, so if you like eating gooey things, it's perfect for you. All right, I'm not sure how to explain that to you. When I first saw it in the black light, I thought, looks kind of interesting. You got this milky, what looks to be like a milky liquid here. That's straight tonic water with the eyeballs, probably the gummy all mixing in. Let's get a little froggy out here. Come on, little froggy. You looked good before when you were crisply growing with the black glowing, with the black light. Here, let's get you on an eyeball here. Come on. Come on. Come on, little fella. Get up there. There you go. All right, where's my other frog? There he is. I remember I ate one, so. All right, let me just lift it up a little closer to the black light for you so you could see it. What a tasty looking creation. Would you eat this? That eyeball's looking at you. This one right here, I think, has been looking at you the whole time. All right, let's try it. Let us eat one eyeball in the slimy stuff. The liquid's almost... Oh, did you hear that? No, I'm not going to put my hands in this. It's very sweet because the tonic water is sweet. It will not find its way onto my spoon. Oh, it's like a balancing act. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's a two-hand spoon problem here. It's so slippery. All right, so let me just reach in here and grab an eyeball. Let's give this a... So tasty. But those eyeballs, it's hard to explain. It's so thick and creamy on the outside, and then you hit this like massive gummy. Let me wash it down. Oh, I've got food back in my throat. So nice. It's been fun playing with you on the video here. Or actually me playing, you watching me play. How come I can pick up a frog, but I can't get an eyeball? It just won't... Come on. I got the spoon the right way. Ooh, I got an eyeball. Ooh, did you see it as it was dripping off of the eyeball? Okay, so if I've thoroughly disgusted you, I'm sorry. I just bought it and thought, let's check it out. Maybe you're looking for something and you can get it just in time from Target. All right, here, last one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Look in that description. Ooh, oh. Almost looks like a mint candy upside down. Come here. I think that's probably one of the most troubling things I've eaten on video. I don't know why. It's just the outside is mushy gushy and you hit this hard gummy. Very strange. I've never eaten an eyeball. If it's like that, I don't ever want to try. Thanks for watching, everybody. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.